The following is an excerpt from the Audio Interface's Ultimate Buyer's Guide, link in the description below. This is the cheapest interface on our list. At under $200, this little powerhouse packs quite a few features into its small form factor. It is a USB-C interface, but it can connect via standard USB as well. Cabling for both comes right in the box. It has two mic line instrument inputs with X-Max-L Class A mic preamps, two balanced 1/4-inch TRS main outputs, and one stereo headphone output with independent mix control. This device is ultra portable and great for recording on the go since it is bus powered. I love the meters on the front. This is a feature many devices in a higher price class don't include. With MIDI I/O, phantom power, and a bundle of software and plugins, this is a great starter kit or if you simply need portability. So what do you think? Do you have any experience with this interface? Share your thoughts in the comments. And make sure to check out the Audio Interface Ultimate Buyer's Guide that compares this and 9 other devices in 3 different price classes. The link to that video is in the description below. Thanks for watching.